If an SL customer complains of noises, take a closer look to see if the seals of the vario roof and the windscreen frame are dry or dirty. If this is the case, lubricate the seals as described in this document. Now do a test run on a rough road and localize the noise. In our case, it's coming from the locking mechanism in the C-pillar. From the test run, drive back to the workshop. Open the vario roof and take a closer look at the locking mechanism in the C-pillar. Here is a model of the roof mechanism. The noise results when the bracket is loose or the hook doesn't fit correctly. Therefore, reset this. Take off the locking mechanism cover. You cannot see the position of the hook slide from outside the vehicle. You can only check the correct setting of the closed vario roof from the inside in the Bowden cable of the hook slide. The distance between the retaining clip and the eyelet of the Bowden cable must be approximately 3 mm. We show you this again with the model. This is the Bowden cable of the hook slide. From the other side, you see the hook runs into the bracket. Attention! If the hook slide does not connect properly with the locking mechanism, it can happen that at a speed of 140 km that wind noises occur in the area of roof-to-side window. This happens when pressure forms and raises the roof minimally in this area. Set the mechanism until the right measure is reached. Finally, tighten the screws with 8 Nm. Do a test run and make sure the noises have really gone away.